Hello beautiful planner girls, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aline from Digital Plans, and today we're just taking a look into my weekly sticker kits to see what I'm going to be using for the month of March. We do have 5 weeks. I'm doing all of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so a little bit into April, but that should not be a problem, right? Here's the thing though, I don't celebrate St. Patrick's Day. I know a lot of you guys do, but maybe I'll use a little bit of green kits, not completely like St. Patrick type, but a little bit green to just add a little bit of festivity without, implying that I celebrate it, because I don't. So I have already my post-it notes to add the kits and these little rectangle stickers to add the foil that I'm going to be using. So we're going to pick both of them. I do have a little stickers folder here in my notes. As you can see, I have it, like this is, I just created a new folder here. And on that folder, I have different categories. So I have this one that says self-care, declutter, clean environment, Christmas and winter, love, Valentine's, fandom, etc., etc. So I have different ones of those, and then I can just easily, flip through what I need and kind of choose from here, because I have the first page of every kit and I can see the colors, the vibe, and all of that, and that way maybe I can decide what I want to use, because I have no idea. This is a good choice because it's a lot of greens. Maybe we'll go with something like that. This is Refresh by the Planner Shack. Let's see if I have anything else. Oh, this is so cute, but it's super pink. Let's see. Christmas and winter, love, Valentine's, maybe some fandom. Maybe we do some fandom. I don't know. I have no idea. This would have been so cute for Valentine's though. But I think I used it last year or the year before. I don't remember, but I've already used that. I could do some Lord of the Rings. Is anyone here fan of like anything sort of like more geeky? I really like Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter, and a ton more, but I never know if I want to use them, because I don't know if anybody else will be interested. Look at this. This is like a Vampire Diaries inspired one. Yes. Oh, this is so cool. I'm like ready for May. For May the 4th be with you. Oh, look at that. Stars Hollow. I don't know what kind of vibe do we want to go. I feel like with this month on, I can really do whatever I want. Like I can use any sort of kit. Like it doesn't have to be specific to anything. Like I would like to use more greens, but it's not like a must. Oh, I really want to use these. I know that I really want to use these. Foodie by the Planner Shack. I like food. I want to use that. I'm just gonna like write them here, I feel like. And then we'll decide. Since I don't have like a specific anything going on this month, we can just like decide what we want later on. This would be really pretty. Like I really want to use this, and I thought maybe I'll use this for like a special occasion, but maybe not. Maybe we'll just use it. Unicorn Realms by Pink Planner Shop. It's so pretty. Maybe we do some Bosk/work/planner girl ones. I think it'll be cute. I really love this kit. Like I really want to use it. How freaking gorgeous is this artwork? Dreamer by Paper Crumple. Like I really want to use this. I think I'm gonna use it. So basically at this point, I'm just looking at the kits, see which one I really want to use, and we're just gonna be using those. Like this one is really pretty. What is it? This one is really pretty. I love all of the marble, all of the stickers. Even though it's digital planning, I still love all of this artwork. Girls just want to be CEO. Yes. This is such a beautiful, like a Boss by Peppercrumb planner. I feel like we already did one. Astrologies. I don't know if I want to do an astrologies. I mean, this one would be cute. It's got some green on it. It's got some vibes on it. Maybe this one. How many kits do we have picked? 3. We're missing a couple of kits, you guys. And like, I can't decide. I didn't write down the self-care one, did I? Let me check. This one, Refresh by the Planner Shack. I kind of want to use that. I don't know if I'm going to do fandom. Let me know if you guys want to see any fandom related stuff. I don't know, because I have a lot of stuff, as you can see. I've got a lot of fandom things. I would like to use these, but I kind of want to save it in case I decided to do like a rewatch. And then these are more spooky Halloween. Again, whenever I feel like I'm rereading these, maybe I'll use it. Maybe next month, we'll see. I also really want to buy a couple of kits. I know I have a lot of kits, but maybe we'll go to Etsy and check some stuff out. I don't know, maybe we'll do that. I do have stuff on my cart. I know that for sure. Okay, here we are on my Etsy cart. I do want to get these. This is Devilish. I really want to finish this TV show. I haven't finished it, you guys. I think I was missing like half of the last season, maybe. But I love these, so maybe I'll just buy this and use this. And like have a little watch. I don't know about these box, but the rest of them I really like. Has anyone seen this TV show on Netflix? I love it. With this one, what is it called? Devilish. White Rose Printables. I'm gonna go ahead and use that one. I feel like that's also going to motivate me to finish that TV show because I have a problem finishing TV shows. I don't know why. I feel like the ones that I finish have been not great endings, and so I get like, I feel like I'm gonna be disappointed and I don't watch the ending, but like I really want to watch Lucifer's ending. Anyways, now I really need to organize these. This week, maybe we'll use Dreamer. I feel like this week we will use Dreamer. Today is the 1st, by the way, so that's why I'm saying this week. That week is gonna be Dreamer. I guess, I don't know when I want to do Foodie. Maybe, okay, St. Patrick is gonna be on the 16th, so maybe I'll use Unicorn Realms, because it's like, I don't know, maybe I'll do Refresh, because it's a lot of green. I don't think I will. I think, okay, I know. Refresh I'm gonna do here to transition from one month to another, so it's like a little bit of self-care and getting ready for the next month kind of vibes. I'm gonna leave Unicorn Realms there. I don't know when I'm gonna finish. You know what, if I finish Lucifer next week, if I watch that next week, I can use that kit, and then Foodie then will be here, right? If I don't feel like using Foodie, if I feel like using other kit because I didn't eat that much food or whatever, I'll move it. But I just really like the vibe of that kit. I really like all of these kits, I'm gonna say. So I think this is gonna be what we're gonna be doing. Yay! So I'm gonna copy that. First week is gonna be Dreamer. I really like this key, like I've been dying to use it.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about.
Okay, also there's more cute kits coming out. I can change these. It's now Dreamer by Purple Crown Planner. There are lots of purples and pink and pretty colors. I actually want to make foil bundles with butterflies, and I think that's gonna be a perfect vibe for these kits, so I'm gonna have to work on those this week if I want to use that. And I think they're gonna be really cute for these in purple, maybe? We'll see about the purple. I feel like also be baby pink. That'll be really cute as well. Okay, next kit, we'll have Devilish. I think I can use the red hearts. The red hearts or any other hearts really. Maybe even gold. Red or gold hearts. We'll see when we get there. But definitely the hearts. Unicorn Realms by Pink Planner Shore. I do have a Celestial foil bundle coming to the shop. So I'm going to be using Celestial. I don't know in what color. I think it could be in like lots of different colors. With this one, definitely gold be pretty, or maybe a little bit of like a lilac one, so we're gonna put gold lilac, so you know you're getting like a sneak peek of what's coming. Foodie, oh, what do I want to do with Foodie? So pretty. I think stars would actually look cute with this. I don't know why. Oh, it's got some rainbows and I did want it. Well, see if rainbows is ready. Or stars. And I feel like silver will be cute with this one. But again, we'll see when we get there. That's like an idea. Refresh by the Planner Shack. I have no idea what to do with that. Look how crazy it is. Definitely gold would be cute. Even maybe baby pink. I think I'm gonna do baby pink. But I don't know what. Maybe it could be stars. Oh, it's going to be the florals one. Florals in baby pink. I think will pop really cute with these. So I have pretty much all of my kits ready. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you beautiful planner girls in my next video. Bye!